Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by preparing backup worlds and mods to avoid data loss. Once done, check Java and Minecraft versions because Sodium requires matching builds. Mismatches cause crashes. Make sure the Sodium version aligns with Fabric and the game. Close Tlauncher and open its logs. Note exact crash timestamps and error lines. This gives clues. You proceed immediately to reproduce the crash once, so the logs capture the failure. Then, keep the launcher closed while you gather files for the next step. You now isolate the cause. Create a clean Fabric profile with only Sodium installed and run it. If it launches, a mod conflict existed. If it still crashes, edit JVM arguments to allocate appropriate RAM and tweak garbage collector flags. Sodium can be sensitive to heap fragmentation. Once done, try switching Java runtimes, Java 8, 11, or 17, because native rendering issues vary by JVM. Make sure to change both launcher and system Java paths. Keep notes on each attempt so you can revert changes. Finish by reintroducing mods one at a time. You will spot which addition triggers the crash. If a specific Sodium build is unstable, reinstall Fabric and Sodium or try a prior release. Compatibility sometimes regresses. Once done, verify shaders and resource packs. Disable them to confirm. If problems persist, collect full logs and crash reports, then test the same setup on a vanilla launcher to separate launcher issues from mod issues. One key tip: restart your GPU drivers and try a different Java bitness before more invasive steps.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.